Hi everyone. So in the last class we have discussed about the abstract class and what is the interface. We have seen the examples. And today's class we are going to be learn like what is the multiple inheritance and what do we do with this. So in Java, normal classes, we cannot create the multiple inheritance as so the Java came up with the interface concept. And how does it work? We have to say to achieve this multiple inheritance interface concept, like introduced, right? So which is nothing but the pure abstract class. As we already know, in Java multiple inheritance is not possible, but indirectly it is possible. How? Which means classes cannot inherit from one class to the another class. However, it is possible, multiple inheritance is possible through the interface. So if I take the class name as a appliance store, like in the appliance store we have so many appliances, like you can take it as an example: refrigerators, ovens, range hood. So let me take this same thing, apply my first interface name is refrigerator, and here I have created the interface, and in the interface we can declare, but we cannot define the method. So I'm defining. So refrigerator characteristics are void, so it keeps the product cool, right? So let me take this cool. So I have defined this first interface. As I said, in multiple inheritance, so we can create the multiple interfaces is possible. So let me take the another interface. Okay, so interface is possible in the multiple inheritance. So let me take this another one, which is nothing but the another appliance, oven. Okay, so let me define what the oven it is used to bake the food items, right? So I will use hot, so it would be more easier for us. So I have successfully declared the interface, and let me create the class. Okay, so I'll take this class name as a appliances again, so it would be easier for us to understand. So as it is an interface, we have to be remember what we do implements the parent characteristics, right? So appliances, what keyword we have to be used here? Implements. First one is, first interface name is refrigerator, and the another one is oven, right? Yes, here. So I have successfully created. Now, if I define the method, okay, so let me define this method. Void, first one is cool, right? See, cool. And I'm defining it. So here you can see it is showing the red color indication, which means in interface I have declared. Here I am defining, but still it shows the red color indication, which means it is already showing us public void. We have to be use the public here. Apply whenever we are implementing, so must and should the method which we are defining, we have to be use the public keyword. As you can put the cursor here, so as it is showing, we have to be mention the public keyword. See, now it is the red color indication is gone. Now I have to be define it SYSO. So it keeps the products cool. So you can give anything. It keeps products cool. Okay. So I have done this, and we have to be cool. I have already defined this method, and I have to be take the another method, which is again void hot, right? Yes. So I'm defining here the another method. Here again it shows the red color indication because I haven't used the public keyword. Yes. So I'm defining now. you can use this, and it is oven is used to bake the products, so you can mention the same thing. It is used for baking the food. Yes, so I have successfully defined now. So this is my main class. In the main class, now what you have to be do, you have to be create the reference. With the reference, we you have to be create the object, right? So what is my first one? Refrigerator, right? Refrigerator, I'll just take it R. So I have successfully created the reference for this. Now I have to be create the object, right? So R is equal to new. What is my class name? Which this is my concrete class, or you can call it as a child class as well. Yes, so I have successfully created the object for the refrigerator. Now, which comes to the oven. Here, let me take this and create the reference for this one. Oh, yes, it is done. And now I'm creating the object for this one is equal to new appliances. You can just copy paste here. Where is my class? Yeah, here I have successfully created the object. Now we have to be called the method, right? How we have to be called the method? By using the object, right? R dot first one. What is the method? Cool. So here you can use. And what is the another method for the oven? As it keeps the food, it is used to baking, right? So I'm using the hot. Okay. So here you have to be use the control S. Now try to click on run. Yes. So as we got both the methods by using the object keyword. First one is cool and second one is hot, right? So it keeps the product cool, and another one is this one. So let us take the another example for our better understanding. So I have given this real time monitoring system. So it is something which is related to the multiple inheritance, as we have already discussed. Um, a class can implement the multiple interfaces, right? Here, a class can implement the multiple interfaces, allowing for the combination of the behavior. So, what are the behaviors of the school and hot rate? So, it allows the combination of the behavior. So, we can use the same method by whenever we are declaring. So, we have to be declare it in the interface, and whenever we have to be defined, so we have to be use the proper characteristics when we are implementing, then we have to be use the proper method for defining purpose, right? Then the main purpose is that that allows the classes exhibit the multiple behaviors. What are the behavior of the refrigerator? Keep the item cool. And what are the behavior of the oven? Which keeps the products for baking purpose hot, right? So it is as per our convenient. We have discussed this one. Now let me take the another example, real time monitoring system. So I will give the, just assume this is the robot, how the robot will work in the real time. So what are the behaviors? What are the behaviors of the appliance store? What are the products which are refrigerator, oven, washing machines? So many items are available. So that behavior is nothing but the methods. How does it work? So here also robot I'm taking. So I have to create the interface. What first interface? So I'll take the wo- worker. Okay. So these are the characteristics or the behaviors we can say. So for the interface robot, right? So I'm declaring void. What are the it robot? It is useful to work. So I'm doing this do work. Okay, I have declared. So let me create the another interface for the movable behavior. So this interface is for worker behavior and the another interface is for movable behavior. So interface movable, yeah, movable, sorry, movable, right? Yes, movable only. And what are this behavior movable, what it will do? So it will move, it is used to carry the products or from one place to the another place. That is what the main functionalities of the robot, right? So let me just take simple things. Move, right? So I have successfully declared. Now I have to be create the classes to call those methods, to define the methods, right? What the, so robot, right? So let me just give the class name as a robot only. Okay. So what it will do, it implements. But so what keyword we have to be use? Implement keyword. And what are the behaviors it is implementing? First one is worker, and second one is movable. Yeah, I have successfully done this. Created the class. Now, what I have to be do? So it is already implementing the behavior of the parent class. So which means nothing but the overriding. Here we have declared. Now how we have to be defined? Void do work, right? Here. Let me say it would be easier. Yeah. So here always we have to be mentioned as a public, otherwise later on now it will show the error. So to avoid that, I have to be mention it as a, because overriding concept, when we are defining, we must and should use the public or protected modifiers, so it would be easier for us. So system dot out dot println, what it will do, robot is, as it is a worker, so robot is working, it would be fine for us. Robot is working, you can give anything in this one. Yeah. So it is successfully done. Now I have to be define the another method, and which is again a part of the overriding from the parent class interface. So how you will do? Void move, right? Move only, yes. Void move. Okay. It will, as it will show the error. So I have to be define it as a public, and here I can define what it will do. Robot is moving. These are the behavior of the robot, right? So we have to be mentioned, we can define it here in anything, as I said. Robot is moving. Yeah. So what, I have already created the main class. Now we have to be create the, how it performs, we have to be create by using the object, right? So performing both the behaviors for do work and move. How we have to do that? So what is the class name? It is robot only, right? A capital R. Robot. I'll just give RP, so it would be easier for us to understand. New. What is this class name? Robot. ROBOT. Yes. So I have successfully created the object. Now by using this, we have to be call that methods, both the methods, do work and movable. So I will use what is my object? RP dot movable, RP dot do work. Here it is, do work. And what is the another one? RP dot move only, right? Here it is. Yes. Now control S and try to click on run option. So it will show both the. Okay, so thread main class. Okay, yes. So implements. Here it is. Now what we have to do, click on yes. So now it is success as the simple mistake that we have to be just keenly notice and try to rectify, as these are the two examples for our multiple inheritance concept. Let's just try to see the another examples.